it's not a good idea. Don't risk your life for that. What's up, CG family? Welcome back to the channel where it's really cold out. 1, 2, I'm going to California tomorrow early in the morning for the Hypebeast and Purist event. And 3, here's the wrapped RSX as you guys saw in the previous video. I still don't have the right push pins to put on the front bumper, so it's just been sitting there. So I can't put it on till I get the right push pin, so I can definitely make sure it's secured on. Anyways, today we are finally working on the 350Z. What are we doing today? Let me show you guys. So if we move the front bumper, I still gotta put these ST suspensions on the Z, and I will get to it, I promise. Probably get it ready for the next upcoming build for the Z. Can y'all see me? All right, cool. So I'm gonna move this real quick. Anyways, today we are working with Carbon Clutch. So Carbon Clutch is a good friend of mine. He makes aftermarket carbon fiber steering wheels, and he does have the rev lights on them. He does like suede. He does a custom stitching. He does forged carbon, whatever you guys want, which I absolutely love because I don't see many forged carbon steering wheels out there. So that's exactly what I did to mine. This is getting ready for the new build. So I know if you guys are like, green doesn't match your car at all, or the gold flakes. It's for the next build. Anyways, I'm still gonna be installing it today because he is having a Black Friday sale coming up. So I just wanted to install it, get some pictures for him, and test it out. Let me pull it out so I can show you guys what exactly it looks like. This is what it looks like. Alcantara on the sides, green stitching, forged carbon fiber with gold flakes, and rev lights on top. How awesome is that? And the best part about this all is you still get to keep your airbag. That's the most important. Let me tell you guys, let me give you guys a big sister talk real quick. I absolutely love quick releases, but for daily driving, that is absolutely not functional steering wheel. It's not a good idea. Don't risk your life for that. Don't risk your teeth, don't risk your nose. The point is you want to stay safe and you want to keep your airbag, so that's why I recommend aftermarket steering wheels like that and not quick releases for dailies. You just want a more functional car when you're daily driving your project car. So here's another look at the RSX in case you guys missed the last video, and here is the Z. I gotta hurry it up. Sun's about to set too. So first things first, what we want to do is I'm gonna pop the hood. You want to disconnect your battery. You don't want your airbag blowing up in your face when you're trying to take things apart. Alright, so I quickly went ahead and disconnected the battery, but I just want to give you guys a close-up of the steering wheel if it focuses, just because it's so beautiful. Look at that. He did an awesome job, you guys. I still get my Z badge in the center. Like, it still looks in a way OEM, but at the same time it looks beautiful. It still looks OEM, which is what I love about Carbon Clutch, but it's just, oh my gosh, I just can't get over this. Hopefully the green and gold doesn't give out too much away for my next build, but that's what I'm gonna be going for my next Z build. Anyways, let's hop inside, and we just got to take off like 2-3 screws, the one giant screw in the center, and we should be good to go. Disconnect some sensors. Luckily I do have the base model Z, so I don't have cruise control. I don't have any of the side options right over here, so it's gonna be a little bit easier. I mean, if you did have them, you just have to unplug something. You just have to disconnect the wire, which is not that bad, but hey, this is the one perk I have for having a base model 350Z. Still in HR though. All right, moving on. So I had to pick these up from AutoZone because I did not have those safety bits for the steering wheel, which is what you're gonna need. So I'm gonna use my power tool because I absolutely love using this thing. So I'm gonna be using it. Once we go inside the car, I will show you guys exactly where the screws are. So my friends, here's the stock 350Z steering wheel, and this is what I was talking about that we need to unscrew. There's one on the other side as well, and they are covered by these caps right here, so I just popped them off. Anyways, I'm gonna grab my other steering wheel so we can compare before and after real quick. I have this light right here so we can actually see from this direction, but here is before and after. It still stays true to the OEM steering wheel, which is what I mentioned, and that's like one of my favorite things about this, obviously, besides the beautiful stitching, suede, and the forged carbon with the gold flakes, lights, everything about that. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys a quick before and after. It is pretty heavy, so I don't know how I'm that strong to be holding it. We're gonna be taking my power tool right over here and finding the right size safety bit that fits into the steering wheel so we can unscrew it. I feel pretty cool right now, I'm not gonna lie. I got the right bit size on the first try. So now I am going to... Yeah. Ooh, look at that angle. You guys can see it too. That's cool. Why I recommend the power tool over just using like the key that comes with multiple different bit sizes is because one, this has Loctite all over it. This star pattern with the pin in the middle can get stripped so easily, and I've seen so many people do that, so I did not want to be one of those people. So this is very simple. You just crack it open and then from there you can just away instead of like trying to like force it with the Loctite. It's just gonna be too messy. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side and I will show you guys the next step. So I just took off both side screws and now this should come off pretty easy. Let's see. Nice. So you do have to be careful. There are the sensors that are hooked up in the back that we're gonna have to unclip and then we'll go from there. So I'm gonna put you guys down. For those that are watching this as a tutorial, I do want to emphasize, be really careful with these sensors because if you do mess them up, you're gonna have a whole lot of replacing to do. These aren't just really easy things to replace, so just be extra careful and it's for your own safety as well. You could see right over here, this I just used a flathead and this clip just came right off, this black clip, so you can yank this back out, and I'm gonna do the same thing with the yellow as well. All right, just like that, they are removed and we are free to go with the center. Inside this middle part where obviously you honk the horn is not just for the horn. You have your whole airbag assembly in here, so you have 4 screws on the side. Of course, it's really important to take that and take this whole metal assembly and put it onto the center of this one. As you guys see, it's molded perfectly. It's molded perfectly to fit the OEM Nissan airbag, so we are going to be doing just that, taking out this. I don't think it's necessary to take these out. I just think we're gonna have to pry it out of this plastic right here. Nonetheless though, if you didn't feel comfortable doing that, I could technically just not, you know, use this and put this right back here. However, my aftermarket steering wheel does not have a leather finish. I chose Alcantara. You guys can choose leather if you like. You just have to let Carbon Clutch know. So I also do want to switch this centerpiece, but nonetheless, it looks pretty good like this as well. I wouldn't complain. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do this off camera real quick just because I don't have time to waste right now. I'll be real honest with you guys because my sisters, right now, like, my phone's blowing up because my little sister needs a ride and all that stuff. We are all going to California tomorrow, so we are getting ready, getting packed and this and that. As I mentioned, I'm gonna go ahead and put the airbag assembly into my aftermarket centerpiece and I will be right back. This is so sweet. All right, I just finished moving the airbag assembly off of the OEM steering wheel centerpiece to the aftermarket Carbon Clutch one, and now we are moving on to the center of my OEM steering wheel. You guys see this center hex nut right here? I believe it's a 19mm hex nut. I'm not just saying I believe, I am saying I hope, because that is what I went to AutoZone and purchased, and I do not have time to go back and get a 17mm one. So I am hoping this 19mm one I purchased fits. My door just closed. That's the thing about 350Zs, man. The 350Z doors are super duper heavy, so they always just close by themselves. The moment of truth. Let's see. Oh, I think it fits. And just like that, the hex nut is off. It has a little bearing on the end of it. I really don't know the term and I need to learn it. Anyways, now we are gonna start yanking on the steering wheel so it can fully come off. I also did disconnect this wire right over here, so be sure you do that as well. I'm not that strong, so I don't know how I'm gonna yank this. But, oh, I got it. That was easy. What the heck? That was pretty simple. So now you guys can see at the very end, there's some wires right there. These are just those sensors that we unclipped. So I just gotta get them through. Let's see, how are they connected? Okay, they're just being pinched right now. So just like that. That was so easy. I was actually so afraid that this was gonna be way more difficult. You guys, relax, relax. I'm trying to be cool right now. This looks so cool. Oh my goodness. And here are the lights too. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. All right, so I'm gonna be screwing everything on. I'm gonna connect the wires again and put the centerpiece back on, and we are gonna see what it finally looks like. I am just so impressed with us right now. We really beat the nighttime and we got this done, you guys. This is what it looks like. Obviously you can't can't see it that well in that angle, but let me flash a light towards it, and I'll actually bring this light closer so you guys can see it. But actually, you don't even need that light. Look how beautiful that is with my whole setup. Oh my goodness, that looks amazing, you guys. So besides the lights on each side, there is a little digital display in the center as well. But dude, oh my gosh, look at this forged carbon fiber with the gold flakes. I don't know if you guys see that well, but I've never seen a steering wheel this nice on a 350Z. I'm just speechless right now. And just for handling daily driving, look at the way you get a grip of the steering wheel. It just feels like aggressive and nice. Where the palm and the thumb of your finger go. This is so nice! I'm just like holding on to this right now. And I have the suede upholstery done by Opalite Optics to match the steering wheel. This is amazing. I'm just so happy right now. I should do a driving POV. If you guys want that, definitely comment below. I'm gonna find a way to mount my phone on my face or something, and you guys can get a really cool driving POV. I'll definitely make sure it's a wide angle lens so you guys can see everything. So that's gonna be pretty cool. Let me know down in the comments. But now it's time to clean up. If you guys haven't seen this in my previous video, I have an umbrella that matches the wrap of my car. I know, I'm pretty cool. Here is the steering wheel one more time, you guys. All right, now it is getting a little bit darker. There's my wrap right over here. Gotta pick that up. By the way, tutorial is done, so if you guys want to click out of this video, you are more than welcome, but you guys can also stick around for like 5 more minutes and chill with me while I get some things ready. Also, Grant is on his way. He came all the way from Purdue University, so he should be here in a little bit if you guys want to check out his car, so stick around for a bit. I'm gonna put this camera down for a quick... That was my heavy 350Z door. I'm gonna put the camera down real quick, clean up, and chill out for a second because I am talking way too fast, and I will get back to you guys. Bam, look at that. Look at that steering wheel, you guys. I cleaned up for the most part. I do have to reconnect the battery, but I also do gotta... Ooh, look. Would you look at that? APA America just reposted me, and the RSX right over there because I did just reveal the wrap, and so that's really cool. They posted me. I'm gonna like it. Grant literally has like 9 minutes to get here because I have a meeting at 6 p.m., 3 p.m. California time. But I just want to show him the new steering wheel before I hop on my meeting because then I probably won't be able to for I don't know how long. So I'm just waiting for him to pass by. All right, I hear his car. I hear his car. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. There he is. Hi.
Oh, are you vlogging?
Come look at my car real quick.
Okay.
I have a meeting in 5 minutes. Dang, so nice. Oh, we have to hurry up. All right, hi, come here. So you haven't seen the RSX in blue yet, but it's kind of dark right now. This is his first time seeing the RSX, you guys. Didn't we do a fire job wrapping it?
From what I can see.
Yeah. All right, so.
It's missing something.
Okay. Go open up my driver's seat.
Your driver's seat?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, shoot. That's clean, bro.
I just installed it, like just finished installing it.
Wow.
Isn't it beautiful?
Oh my gosh.
It's
Dude.
Gorgeous.
That's not right, bro.
What do you mean?
It's just too damn nice. Oh my god. Wow.
I know, dude. It's amazing. Obviously, it doesn't fit this wrap whatsoever, but it's for the next build.
Wow.
All right, so now that he's seen it, I can finally close off this video. He saw the wrap for the first time on the RSX, and now he's seeing the carbon clutch aftermarket steering wheel, custom steering wheel, 1 of 1 custom steering wheel, forged carbon fiber with gold flakes, green stitching, suede covering, you know the vibes.
So much is happening right now.
And we have to go to LA early in the morning, but we gotta close off this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm glad you guys caught Grant at the very end. You can barely see him right now though, nor me. But I love you guys. Please give this video a thumbs up and comment down below if you want to see a POV driving video with that new steering wheel, because I would love to give you guys that. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. It's probably gonna be a California vlog, maybe. If not, I'll still see you guys. Peace.